What's up guys, welcome back, and here's another day, another fun day. More stuff taken apart. What I decided to do is put all the parts out from this van, and then these are all the parts from the other van. And some of the panels are bent, like this one right here, for example, is messed up right here on top. Right there, the handle part is messed up. Obviously the airbag deployed, and there's another airbag somewhere else. The radiator support is broken, which is from that van right there, but I got a new one that I'm going to install in there. Maybe I'll buy a fender to put on this van before it goes on auction, so we'll have more parts. And the heater box, this is the heater box from the other van right here. That's the one I installed last night. And then now let's go take a look at the other van. And this is the heater box from the donor van. So now it's all installed, connected. The AC pipes connected, and the heater hose is connected. This is lining up. Everything is good. So now what I have to do is start assembling this van. I'll probably assemble two vans at the same time. I'll assemble this one and that one. That way I'll be that way I won't have any parts laying around. So as always, I only have just a couple hours before I have to go to work. So let's get this done. Let's install what I can and then go to work and finish it up tomorrow. All right, let's get this started. Let's go. Alright, the bar is finally on. The heater box is connected to the bar. Everything is secured so far, so good. Everything lined up like a glove. All the bolts and everything. There's a bolt in here. You can't really see it, but it goes through the pillar. Mounts in here. All the holes lined up on the floor. Everything is good. All those holes line up there. Heater box is mounted. So yeah, everything's really good. Everything lined up just perfectly. No issues. That's what I was kind of worried about. And now that this reinforcement bar is in, then everything else will pretty much line up on this bar. And everything's going to be straight. There's not going to be any gaps, no issues. So yep, now I gotta go get ready to go to work, and then tomorrow I'll be able to finish a lot of this stuff as well. So this will be one video. I'll put tomorrow together with this video. That way it's gonna be one video instead of two videos. And then after that video, I'll probably have one more video and it should be finished. We'll see you in just a few seconds. 3, 2, and I'm back, guys. Alright, so let's see what we got here. We had the bar installed during the day, and today I wasn't able to do much during the day with the van. I had a bunch of other things planned, but now I'm gonna install all the wiring right here. This whole mess, I'm gonna pretty much install it how it was. And of course it's nighttime. Got some lights right here, so it should be interesting project. So let's get the wires installed, and then after the wires I'm gonna put the dash on top and then start working my way down with other panels steering wheel, and so forth. Also, next week I got a different shift. I'm starting at 7 in the morning. Usually I do night shifts. Next week I got a different shift, so that's going to be interesting because I usually never do those. But other than that, a little bit of change of plans, but I just got to work with what I have. All right, so let's get the wires on. This whole mess right here. Alright guys, it's a little late, 4 in the morning, and I think I'm gonna go get some sleep. Tomorrow during the day I'm gonna wake up, hook up the intake, and then try to start it up and see if everything is functioning, if everything is working good. So give me a second, I'm gonna go get some sleep and we'll try to start it and see if I installed everything correctly. Alright, see you in just 1 second. Alright, and I'm back. Intake is installed, connected some wires here and there. I didn't really tighten anything, just kind of put it on. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it and see if like all the dash and radio and things like that are working. So wish me luck. Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright, so started right up, no problems. Let's see if the RPM gauges. I thought I was going to die there for a second. No, it seems good. Let's see if the RPM gauge is working. Okay, that's good. Let's see if the radio is working. Alright, that's good. Everything's working so far, so good. Let's see if the air is working. Alright, the air is blowing. Let's see if it shifts. Reverse. Alright, forward. Alright, everything is looking good so far. So I'm going to install the airbag. And then install this plastic step in here. Install the door. And then install all the front pieces. And then get the windshield done. And it should be complete. So I'll have one video after this one. And then that should be done. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more projects. Hit the like button. If you got any questions or comments, let me know in the bottom. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!